Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How you are third year? I hope everybody will be fine inshallah with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students, as you know that we are reading our chapter number 3 that is the new constitution, and we found that Ustad Mangu, who is the main character of the story, he was in his views that the new constitution it will change everything, okay, and it will be implemented, it will be appear in front of his eyes with very magnificently, okay, with a great pomp and show. So let's see. This conversation was most thrilling as far as Ustad Mangu was concerned. He's saying that because he was a Tongawala and he took fares from one place to another, and he was used to hear their conversation. So he had listened, he had heard the conversation of the passengers, and what he's saying now, that this conversation was most thrilling, the conversation of the students, that he had made them sit in his tonga. He's saying that their conversation, it was very thrilling. Thrilling means it was very exciting as far as Ustad Mangu was concerned. ठीक है, उसके लिए तो बहुत excited थी. The new constitution now appeared to him to be something bright and full of promise. अब उसके लिए बेटा न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो था, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग एंड इट वुड बी अ वेरी ब्राइट thing, okay. The only thing he could compare the new constitution with was the splendid brass and gift paraphernalia he had purchased. कहते कि वो उसको किससे compare कर सकता था, because in his views it was very colorful, and so that's why he purchased paraphernalia. Paraphernalia mean the things that he had purchased for his horse, okay. So he's saying that a couple of years ago, for his tonga from Chaudhry Khudabakhsh, he purchased these things from Chaudhry Khudabakhsh, and couple of years, okay, before. The new constitution gave him the same nice warm feeling. So what type of feeling was the new constitution was giving him? It was giving him a very nice and warm feeling. I mean to say he was very excited that the new constitution, it will change all the things. So in the week following, Ustad Mangu heard much about the changes. So as the time was passing, he was hearing a lot of things from his passengers, okay, both for and against. So people had different views. As you know that if a law or a constitution is going to be implemented, all the people, they don't have the same feelings, okay. So some of them were in favor and some of them were against it. So however, his mind was quite made up. He was secure in his belief to let the 1st April come, everything would change. He's saying that when the 1st April would come, it would change all the things. So this was his notion. At last, the 31 days of March came to an end. Okay, beta. Now the time was very close. So 31st of the March, it was came to an end. There was a chill in the air as Ustad Mangu rose earlier than usual. He rose earlier than usual, mean to say before his usual time. He got up. He went to the stable, set up his tonga and took to the road. Okay, वह stable पे चला जाता है अपने बेटा, जहाँ पे उसका तांगा खड़ा होता है. Set up his tonga and took to the road. He was extraordinarily happy today because he was going to witness with his own eyes the coming of the new constitution. ठीक है बेटा, वो बड़ा happy था क्योंकि he was a witness of the new constitution that will be implemented on 1st April. Clear? So in the morning fog, he went round the broad and narrow streets of the city, but everything had the same old and worn out look. Of course, but all the things were the same. Nothing was changed in a few seconds, in a few minutes. ऐसा नहीं होता ना कि एकदम से हर चीज़ change हो जाए. He wanted to see color and light. So there was nothing. He had brought a special new plume for his horse to celebrate the big day, and it seems to be the only bit of color he could see. It had cost him a bit of money too, okay students. So he had spent a lot of money on his paraphernalia, but this was the only color that would be seen by him, because all the things, they were quite same. Okay beta. So the road lay black under his horse hoofs. The lampposts looked the same. The sheep signs had not changed. People moved about as if nothing new had happened. Everything was same. Was saying that कि लोग ऐसे आ जा रहे थे जैसे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Okay. So perhaps it was too early in the morning. Then he is going to satisfy him. Maybe it is too early. That's why there is no any pomp and show. There is no colorful things in the markets in the city. So most of the shops were closed. he console himself, console mean he tried to make him sure that अपने आप को तसल्ली दे रहा था with the thought that the courts did not open until 9 and it was there the new constitution will be launched. कहते हैं कि when the courts will be open, so the new constitution will be launched, will be started. Okay, so it was his own idea beta. So he was in front of the government college when the tower clock struck 9, almost imperiously with the feelings of superiority. Mean to say कि the clock tower था government college का बेटा उसने 9 o'clock बजा दिए. The students walking in through the main entrance were all nicely dressed. अब वहाँ पे जो बेटा students थे, they of course the uniform is quite good, quite nice to see. So he's saying that they were in their nice uniform. they were looking very nice but somehow they looked shabby to उस्ताद मंगू. लेकिन बेटा उस्ताद मंगू को वो shabby लग रहे थे. shabby mean dishonorable, ठीक है, अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे. he wanted to see something colorful and dramatic, ठीक है. उसके लिए तो everything should be colorful ना, कि now the new constitution it has changed all the things. So it was his own idea. Okay, he moved his tonga towards the main shopping center. Now he's moving from one corner of the city to the another in order to look at whether the new constitution is going to be launched or not. Okay, he moved his tonga towards the main shopping center, the Narkali. Half the shops were already open. There were crowds of people as street meat stalls and general traders were busy with the customers. ठीक है बेटा, वहाँ पे स्टॉल्स थे, कुछ शॉप्स ओपन थी, कुछ बंद थी और कस्टमर्स वहाँ पे मौजूद थे. देयर वेयर्स डिस्प्लेड इनवाइटिंगली इन देयर विंडोज़. ओके, और वहाँ पे जो है वो बेटा डिस्प्ले थे, मतलब कि कलरफुल डिस्प्ले थे. दे वर इन्वाइटिंग द कस्टमर्स. हाउएवर नन ऑफ दिस हैड एनी इंटरेस्ट whatsoever for Ustad Mangu. बेटा for Ustad Mangu all the other things they had no importance at all. ठीक है, उसके लिए अब किसी भी किस्म की importance वो नहीं रखती थी because he just wanted to see the new constitution. Okay, so he wanted to see the new constitution as clearly as he could see his horse. तो बेटा वो चाहता था कि इतना वो clear mean to say कि he thought that it would have a shape and a color and it would be a living entity for him before him. वैसे ऐसे नहीं होता ना जैसे उसका ख्याल था. Okay, उस्ताद मंगू was one of those people who cannot stand the suspense of waiting. बेटा वो ऐसा बंदा था, ऐसा शख्स था who could not control his feelings, his enthusiasm, his passion. ठीक है, वो immediate nature का बंदा था. मीन टू से कि फ़ौरन से चीज़ उसके सामने आ जाए. ठीक है, when he was going to get his first child he had been unable to sit still. He wanted to see the child even before it was born. He just couldn't wait for things to take shape. He wanted everything to happen immediately. ठीक है बेटा. Okay. So great leaders in Ustad Mangu's views were those who were profusely garlanded when taken out in procession. कि जब procession हो, जब उसकी profusely mean ample, ठीक है, प्रोसेशन में परेड, जबकि जब इस चीज़ की परेड हो तो वो उनको गारलैंडेड किया जाए. मीन टू से कि उनको हार पहनाए जाए, ऐसा उसका बेटा माइंड था. एंड इट देयर वाज अ न्यू स्कफर्स विद द पुलिस ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसीडिंग्स. और वहाँ पे स्कफर्स हो, स्ट्रगल हो, ठीक है ना, वाज अ फ्यू विद द पुलिस ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसीडिंग के दौरान जो है वो जब सारा ये मामला चल रहा हो तो पुलिस भी एक्टिवेट उसको नज़र आए ना, एक्टिव नज़र आए. The man went up even further in Ustad Mangu's estimation. He wanted to see the new constitution brought out with the same razzle dazzle. वो चाहता था कि razzle dazzle बेटा colourful with pomp and show, ठीक है, फ्लैशी, मतलब कि साइन हो सारी चीज़ों के, अच्छी तरह से उसको जो है वो सही तरह से वो न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उसको नज़र आए. ओके, so from Anarkali he moved back to the mall. In front of the motor showroom he found a fare for the cantonment. बेटा cantonment मैंने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी लेसन में भी आपको बताया था कि उसको छावनी को कहते हैं, जहाँ पे जो एनकैम्प होते हैं पुलिस सोल्जर्स. ठीक है, तो उसको कहता है कि वहाँ पे उसने वो लेके जाना था. दे सेटल द प्राइस एंड वर सून ऑन देयर वेज. तो क्या बेटा दे जस्ट सेटल डाउन द फेयर एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड इट्स वे. उस्ताद मंगू वाज नाउ होपफुल that he might learn something about the new constitution in the cantonment. Now because he was used to hear to listen the discussion between the fairs, so he thought that maybe he get a news from his fair about the new constitution. Okay, so his face got down from the tonga and said Ustad Mangu stretch himself on the rear seat. Okay बेटा, और अब वो कहता है कि हिज फेयर गो डाउन, उसके जो फेयर थे हिज पैसेंजर्स दे गो डाउन फ्रॉम द टांगा, वो टांगा से उतर गए। एंड सेड उस्ताद मंगू स्ट्रेच्ड हिमसेल्फ, एंड नाउ ही स्ट्रेच हिमसेल्फ, उसने अपने आप को बेटा अपने जो टांगे की बैग थी उसके साथ रेयर सीट जो थी, बैक सीट जो थी उस पर अपने आप को मतलब कि कूल डाउन कर लिया या टेक लगा के बैठ गया। ही lit a cigarette and started thinking. So he used to smoke, and this was one way he relaxed when he had the time. He wasn't looking for a new fear, he was only curious as to what had overtaken the new constitution. So he was not in favor that he would bring new fears with him, नए वो मुसाफिर पकड़ेगा उनको लेके जाएगा एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, but he was just waiting for the new constitution, उसको तो सिर्फ न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का इंतज़ार था। ठीक है बेटा। सो उस्ताद मंगू was trying to work out if the present system of allotting Tonga number plates would change with the new dispensation when he saw a Gora soldier standing next to a lamp post. Okay बेटा, उसको किस चीज़ का इंतज़ार था कि जब जो है वो he was trying to work out if the present system of allotting Tonga number plates, कि जो Tonga number plates को allot करते हैं, जो present system है उनका बेटा, would change with the new dispensation, तो वो बेटा change हो जाए। ठीक है, एक नई dispensation हो, एक new freedom हो। So when he saw a Gora soldier standing next to a lamp post, तो उसने गोरा सोल्जर को देखा वो standing near a lamp post के पास खड़ा था। his first instinct, ओके बेटा, इंस्टिंक्ट मीन उसका इंटेक्ट जो इनेट थी उसके अंदर जो बेटा फीलिंग जागी वाइल वॉचिंग वाइल सीइंग दैट गोरा, सो ही वाज नॉट टू टेक हिम, ही डिड नॉट वांट टू टेक दैट गोरा सोल्जर। ठीक है, उसको नहीं चाहता था कि उसके तांगा में बैठे। ही हेटेड दीज मंकीज, as we know that from the very first you can say starting of this lesson, we know that he hated these monkeys. However, it occurred to him that to refuse to take their money wouldn't be very wise either. So एक बेटा उसके ख्याल में एक और उसके जहन में चीज़ आती है कि it is not a good idea to refuse their money, mean to say कि उनको वहाँ अपने तांगे में बिठाना और उनको एज अ फेयर है ना, वो तो सवारी है, तो उसको रिफ्यूज़ करना उनकी मनी को, तो ये वाइज नहीं होगा। Might as well recover what I have spent on the new plume, he said to himself. कहता I should recover, I should get as much maximum money as I have spent on the plume of my horse. Okay students, it's enough for today, and inshallah we will continue our chapter tomorrow. So up to till then, thank you so much and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.